Welcome back. Another package came in and I updated my camera setup a little so that you can see me and my hand and the package. Yeah, let's get started. I'll put this on the floor and take the stuff out. It's very well packaged. Just want to show you that. It's for a change. It's really packing material and stuff inside here, which is nice for a change. So in there is just one item, which is this right here. And you can already spot this little Apple thingy here. Seems to be a genuine Apple bag, and it doesn't even smell too funny, so that's good. Let's check the outer pocket first. I want to stick my hand in there. Yeah, okay, nothing in there, which could be good. So let's take a peek inside, because this actually opens, which is not such a big surprise. Ooh, nice. You can only see half of what I see, so yeah. This seems to be pretty much a complete Apple IIc with all the goodies. And this is the actual carry bag for this, and it is in very nice condition. Very, very nice condition. Wow. I had an Apple IIc before, sold that. This is just a little bit yellowed. You can see this is close to the actual color. Should have. And this is a German model, I think. Is it? Yeah, it is, because there's our favorite Umlaute here. Nice. So we have the power supply, of which the seller says it's broken. We'll have to take a look at that. We have some cables, not much to see here. One coax cable, which is, I assume, for video. Power supply cable, and what looks like an original Apple computer, whatever. Ah, it's a printer cable. Okay, sure, it's a printer cable. What else could it be, man? I think we have all the manuals in, wow, pristine condition, and we have an original owner, and this is system and system utilities, and Apple presents the Apple IIc, the user's manual, all in, I would say, the best condition I have ever seen, except for the stamps. And we have some Apple discs, which are the system tools, system utilities, and disk memo, microcomputer Vertriebs. Ah, AppleWorks. This is AppleWorks 1.2. Okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, the seller said the machine works, but the power supply is dead, so that will be interesting. We need that very specific connector here, but we have the power supply, so let's maybe check this out. Oh yeah, even smells funny. I don't see any way to get in here, so there are no screws or anything. I have no idea how to open this, but we will find a way. Yeah, so that is the machine, and it looks really, really nice. So we have a handle here. I have still some screws in the port. Disk drive looks to be in good condition. All the knobs are in the right place. No broken parts, but someone tried to get in here, it seems, at some point. Yeah, nice. So let's take a closer look and see if we can get this baby to work, which would be quite nice. Okay, let's take a closer look at the power supply. I have all the cables connected. I built myself this contraption here, which is just some DuPont wires which I can plug into the connector here. And this goes to this. Yep. And this one is already connected on one side. Let's connect it on the other side. So now we have our wires set up. And it should be like this, that the connector having like this, there should be 15 volts on these two pins, which is a second and third from the bottom here, and ground on these two, which is a second and third from this side, and the top has earth. So this is connected to the shell of the connector. So let's plug this in. I have my multimeter in voltage mode. Put these in here, plug in and see what it says, and it says not much. Let's try the other pin. Nope, there is absolutely nothing. Wow, I think that's actually a first. An eBay seller actually stated correct what's wrong with the package. So, wow, I'm seriously impressed. Thumbs up. Yeah, that leaves me with repairing this power supply or building a new one. And I think, let me check. Not sure if I have one of these connectors lying around. I will see. This is a 7-pin DIN female connector. That makes it a little bit more interesting. As I said before, I have no way of getting in here. At least I don't see any. This is just solid plastic. There's nothing to take off. So you have either to pry this open, and it seems like someone did already try that. Or I am out of ideas. I have no idea how to get in here. Yeah, someone tried to pry this open, and I think then left it to die. Nope, that just breaks the plastic, which is not good. I think I will check if there's some tutorial on opening this on the internet, and if not, I will just build a new power supply. Okay, since I will leave this power supply alone, I had to come up with this connector here, and I actually found one. Problem is, you can't plug it in anywhere because this is too thick. But what you can do is you can take it out, and if you just take the connector, you have exactly the same size, which is nice. And I have this power supply which I can just dial in the voltages. So I will dial in 15 volts here. This has this, so I have this. Connect this to this and this to this, and off we go with a power supply, hopefully. Let's see if that actually works or not. So I will quickly build this, which is just some soldering, and we will see. Okay, got my thingy here connected. I just soldered 2 wires and connected the next door neighbor thingies. And now I have a plug. Let's measure. Let's see if we can get a reading here. It says 15.13. Good. I will do a double check if this layout of the pins is actually the right layout of the pins. So yeah, and if it is, we will just plug it in and see what happens, if anything. Okay, everything is set up. I have the AV cable connected here, which is composite, and my homemade power plug, which actually works. I tested it, checking the pins versus the shielding on the inside here. Let's fire it up and see. Okay. Check disk drive. I think that is because there's no disk inside, but we get an Apple II prompt. Let's grab a disk. Okay, let's use system utilities. Yeah, it's reading. It works. I'm in shock. So the seller actually stated correctly what's wrong with the machine, but now there's no video. Seems the video just died. There it is again. I think my video converter can't handle the high-res mode of the Apple II, which is not good. Not good at all. Okay, let's check a different disk. I want to see if the keyboard works. So let's take this one here. Introduction to Basic, ProDOS, or System Utilities. Let's choose Introduction to Basic. Unable to load ProDOS. That's not good. Let's try the other side, and I have absolutely no idea how to handle an Apple II. I have one right behind me. There, no, there. And I fixed that some time ago off camera. Was actually one of my first repairs next to the PET. Yeah, and there it goes again. So it works, which is good news, and I'm very happy. So I have a power supply for my Apple IIc. No idea if I can fix this brick here. Yeah, it works. I'm shocked. I'm totally shocked that it actually really totally works. I didn't try the keys yet. I want to try the keys. Let's see if I can somehow manage to get something on the screen where we can test the keys. Yeah, it says ProDOS, and it switches to high-res mode. Yeah, not good. No, it's not the high-res mode that kills the screen. It's high-res right now. What does it say? It says AW program disk. I assume this is the other side of the disk. And press return. Yeah, and off we go. I have more disks. I just remembered I have more disks. Let me get other disks. I think I have even Boulder Dash as a game for the Apple II on a disk somewhere. Okay, I have more discs here. What do we have here? Apple II Super Boulder Dash, ADT Pro, Apple II Intro Disc, Super Saxon, Galaxian, Boulder Dash. Let's try Boulder Dash. And gone. So now I'm thinking there's something wrong with the machine. So it's beeping. And it seems the program is running, it's just not showing anything. Let me try this on a different screen. This is crazy. So let me show you what I see right now. So there's actually action on the screen and the machine works. It's just this shitty converter which doesn't do a good job of showing what I have here. So this is my setup right now, and I have some cabling going on here to make all these conversion things, and that's obviously not enough. Okay, so the Apple II actually works, which is good. Yeah, so everything seems to work just fine. I'm pretty happy with this. I got a pretty decent price of 170 euros, I think, all in, with the bag and all the stuff. Yeah, I'm happy. It works. I don't have to fix anything except for the power supply, and for the first time ever, the seller actually knew what the failure was. So thumbs up, kudos, and whatever else. And yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Retro is the New Black. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you like the video, please share. Every like, share, and comment helps a lot. Until next time, bye-bye.